Hey guys, we have here our Microsoft Surface Pro tablet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to install one of these SIM cards into the device so that we can use the internet without connecting to Wi-Fi. So the first thing we do is we're going to flip over our tablet and we're going to bring out here the stand. We're going to flip this open all the way, and then in the lower left corner, that's where we see this little cover with that hole in the lower left side, and here, this is where the SIM card is going to be installed at. And in order to open this cover, all we need is this little pouch here. So if you still happen to have that, then in this pouch you find this little piece of paper that has this little pin on it. We can take that off, and then this pin needle is going to open up that cover. If you don't have that anymore, then you can just use a paper clip or a safety pin as well in order to poke into this little hole. So we just poke in this a little bit until this cover pops off, and then we can completely remove this cover by lifting it out. And then here we find on the lower area this little slot. That's where our nano SIM card goes into. So you need to have a nano SIM card. That's like the standard size nowadays, and you will find this little corner on one of the sides that's cut off, and that is what we use as an indicator to know how to slide it in correctly. So just as you see on the Surface Pro tablet, there's this little corner here, so that's where that cut out corner goes into. Make sure that the contacts on this SIM card are facing down. And then we're just going to slide this in. We're going to slide it in all the way, and you should hear or have some resistance and should hear a clicking sound. That indicates that the SIM card is in the correct position and it shouldn't move at this point. And that means we have successfully and correctly entered or installed this SIM card. If you want to take it out later on, then just push it in a little bit more, and then it's going to pop out and get released. Then we can pull out the SIM card, and then again let's install it one more time. We're going to slide it in all the way, and at this point we can already reinstall the cover. So we have this little nose here on the top end that goes in first. We slide that in on the top first, and then we're just going to press down on the cover on the lower end. And that's already it. Yeah, so this was already it. Installation of a SIM card on a Surface Pro tablet. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.